Can you imagine driving a car for 200,000, maybe even 1,000,000 miles without it ever quitting on you? It might sound unreal, but today we're diving into the 13 cars that have proven it's totally possible. These aren't just reliable, they're practically immortal, confirmed by millions of real-world miles, automotive experts, and countless drivers who push them to their absolute limits. From rugged trucks to dependable sedans, these cars consistently achieve incredible mileage milestones. Stick around because some of these legends might genuinely surprise you. Number 13, Toyota Tundra. Let's kick things off with the Toyota Tundra. Imagine driving one truck for over 1,000,000 miles using the original engine and transmission. That actually happened. Toyota took one apart at 1,000,000 miles and found most parts still in great condition. With its robust 3.4-liter V6, the Tundra regularly surpasses 300,000 miles effortlessly. Whether you're towing boats, hauling gear, or hitting rough terrain, its rugged build means fewer trips to the mechanic, lower long-term costs, and unmatched dependability in a full-size truck. Not only is the Tundra strong mechanically, but it also has great resale value and consistently ranks highly in customer satisfaction. Drivers love it for heavy-duty work and long family road trips alike. If you're looking for a powerful truck that rarely lets you down, the Toyota Tundra is tough to beat. Number 12, Toyota Prius. Next up, we have the Toyota Prius, a hybrid that completely redefined reliability expectations. Many Prius owners, especially taxi drivers, have logged over 300,000 miles without major issues. The hybrid battery packs last far longer than skeptics expected, often reaching high mileage with minimal degradation. Consumer Reports regularly places the Prius near the top of their reliability lists. Its fuel efficiency is unmatched, and the low maintenance costs make it a practical long-term investment. If you want reliability without sacrificing fuel economy, the Prius has proven itself time and again. Number 11, Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Luxury usually means expensive fixes, but the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124 flips that narrative. Built from 1984 to 1995, these German cars frequently hit 500,000 miles with routine care. Its diesel variants are famously durable and known to last even longer. Owners enjoy the comfort, reliability, and surprisingly manageable maintenance costs. Many W124s are still daily drivers today, showing Mercedes' dedication to engineering excellence in that era. For luxurious reliability on a budget, the W124 is an unbeatable choice. Number 10, Ford Crown Victoria. The Ford Crown Victoria earned its legendary status by handling the toughest jobs, police cars, taxis, and fleet vehicles, without breaking down. Its 4.6-liter V8 and sturdy frame frequently exceed 500,000 miles without significant repairs. Maintenance is straightforward and affordable, contributing to its unmatched longevity. Despite feeling outdated, the Crown Victoria remains popular for its sheer reliability. Its simplicity, combined with proven mechanical components, ensures it's a car you can count on year after year, mile after mile. Number 9, Mazda MX-5 MIATA. Here's proof a sports car can be incredibly reliable. The Mazda MX-5 MIATA. Owners frequently drive Miatas past 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. Mazda kept it simple, avoiding complicated turbochargers and electronics, ensuring dependable fun. Consumer Reports even named the Miata the most reliable car in 2020. Its engaging driving experience and affordable upkeep make it a beloved sports car that's built to last. If you want long-term reliability with a side of excitement, choose the Miata. Number 8, Honda Accord. When it comes to reliability, few cars have a reputation like the Honda Accord. Owners routinely surpass 300,000 miles without major mechanical problems. Spacious, fuel-efficient, and comfortable, the Accord is a long-term family favorite. Honda's meticulous attention to detail and continuous improvement means newer models remain highly reliable. Ranked consistently at the top of reliability charts, the Accord delivers peace of mind alongside smooth driving and affordable maintenance. Number 7, Toyota Corolla. With over 50 million units sold worldwide, the Toyota Corolla is synonymous with reliability. Its simple design means fewer breakdowns, inexpensive repairs, and easy maintenance. Corolla owners regularly achieve 300,000 miles with routine care. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power consistently rank the Corolla among the most dependable compact cars. It's affordable, economical, and virtually indestructible, a car you'll keep driving until you're ready to hand it down. Number 6. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is perfect for families looking for a spacious, reliable SUV. Models from 2009 onwards are exceptionally durable, easily reaching 300,000 miles. Routine maintenance costs are reasonable and major mechanical issues are rare. Praised for its comfort, power, and toughness, the Sequoia is an SUV families rely on for both daily commuting and extended road trips. It's built strong and lasts even longer, making it an ideal long-term vehicle. Number 5. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry, America's best-selling sedan, regularly reaches 300,000 miles and beyond. Toyota's reliable engines and transmissions keep this sedan running smoothly with minimal maintenance. Owners appreciate its low repair costs and excellent fuel economy. Consistently topping reliability charts, the Camry provides dependable daily transportation for decades. If longevity and low costs matter to you, this sedan delivers every time. Number 4. Honda Civic. Reliable, economical, and durable, the Honda Civic is loved for easily surpassing 200,000 miles. Owners appreciate the affordable maintenance, strong resale value, and hassle-free driving experience. Ranked among the most reliable compact cars by J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, the Civic is the ideal choice for long-term ownership. Whether it's daily commuting or weekend adventures, the Civic handles it all effortlessly. Number 3. Subaru Outback. Need reliability combined with rugged capabilities? Look no further than the Subaru Outback. It's common for these versatile wagons to hit 250,000 miles or more without major issues, thanks to their rugged boxer engines and all-wheel drive. Ideal for tough weather and varied terrains, the Outback remains comfortable, spacious, and affordable to maintain. It's the ultimate wagon built for dependability and adventure. Number 2. Toyota Land Cruiser. Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just durable, it's legendary. Countless Land Cruisers worldwide have surpassed 1 million miles thanks to their bulletproof build and robust engineering. They're the go-to SUV for extreme conditions and reliable everyday use. Despite higher initial costs, maintenance is surprisingly affordable. With unmatched durability, the Land Cruiser is truly built to last a lifetime. Number 1. Lexus LS 400. Topping our list is the Lexus LS 400, a luxury sedan famously driven over 1 million miles by journalist Matt Farah without significant mechanical issues. Known for incredible durability, comfort, and affordable maintenance, the LS 400 changed what people expect from luxury vehicles. Quiet, refined, and practically bulletproof, it remains unmatched in reliability, making it a top pick for anyone seeking a luxury car that genuinely lasts. These cars prove that with proper care and maintenance, your ride can keep going long after other cars have given up. Whether you're looking for a family van, a sports car, or a rugged SUV, there's a reliable option waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more car insights.